Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube Shorts. Let's launch the app first. As the previous video stated, you should create your account. If you want to upload any type of content, you should own your own account. You should be able to upload and everything should be associated with your own account. So after we already have an account, all we gotta do is to click on the plus button in the middle of the lower end corner, and you have the three options beneath. You have the shorts, you have the option to upload short. As you can see over here, you have two options to upload live post. In this video we're gonna focus on shorts. Now, to select the type of content you want to select, first of all you want to make sure that on the top right corner where it says the seconds timer, you want to make sure that you have the exact length of the timer. If you have a longer video up to 60 seconds, you want to adjust this one. So now after we adjust it, we want to go and click on our content folder on the phone and select the content that we want to upload. I'm going to select this video. Then you have the option to adjust, like from the previous video we talk about the long form content, how you're going to upload them. You're able to drag from the back towards the middle and from the front towards the back as well, being able to adjust the length. You can probably do the same from the long time content. Now you have to move forward by simply clicking the done button when you finish adjusting the actual length of the video. As usual, sometimes YouTube takes a while to process all the adjustments that you have done. If you don't do any adjustments, usually YouTube process the data faster. So now you have plenty of options on the side. You can actually add additional functionalities. You can add sound. If you look at the top bar, you can try and actually put an additional timer if you want to add additional footage, right? If something was not cut on the previous type of content that you have, or everything that you stored on your video. Then there is another option in which you can actually multiply the actual results. You see 2x, 3x. You can speed up and slow down. Something also very interesting, you can add effects. This is definitely a function that looks like was copied from TikTok. You can add green screen, something that might be helpful if the background behind you or on the actual footage is not good. Then after finish editing these small tips and tricks, then you can move to the next step, which essentially is the same one as the long form content. You're able to add sound, to add text, voiceover, filters, as usual, Q&A, something we talked about last time. Next step is the last step, which essentially is the putting the title, putting the most relevant keywords as the hashtags, and of course you want to make sure that you're able to select the best thumbnail, which could be the thumbnail that you take out of the actual video, as you can see if you click over here, or you might be able to upload your own. Now you have to put your location and of course the comments. It is very important. The last thing that you want to focus beneath is that you want to make sure that you have your comments on or off. If you don't want to see someone, if you want to protect your channel from scam or spam, this is the way you're doing. So captions, you have the option, like I mentioned, short title that will be niched down to the type of content, so you'll be able to reach the exact audience that is looking for the video. And like I said, 2 to 3 hashtags that are very, very similar to the title itself. That's all for this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel and come back for more.